welcome to my channel. Today this is Mark the Tech Guy. Today I'm bringing you a product review, and the product that we're reviewing is straight from this company, Freedom, and it's the Freedom i-Connex keyboard. So we're going to get right into the unboxing here. As you guys can see, here is the Freedom i-Connex keyboard, and we are going to unbox this. So it's pretty cool. This is for the iPod Touch, the iPhone. It will connect to the iPad. This will connect to so many different devices. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Now there you go. There is the Freedom i-Connect. It comes with batteries, as you guys can see in the box. So how you do this is you take it out of the packaging. And this is really nice. It's a nice little portable unit. And it comes with your batteries. So we're going to take the batteries out. And we're going to take out the owner's manual. We know all about that. We'll put that aside. It also comes with a nice leather pouch. So there is your leather pouch to put it in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up for you guys to see it. And this is a beautiful keyboard. Look at that. So you got all your buttons, you know, your numbers at the top, and it's just a nice little portable keyboard. Now there's a little button here to lock it in place, and it still moves a little bit, but it locks it open, which is nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the batteries in here. And the batteries go in like this. Here we go. Now, all you got to do is turn it on, and you will see a blue light. Now, for the good part, is there is a spot hidden in this keyboard where there is a tray for your iPhone to rest on. So it comes with its own built-in stand. You know, you can put your device, whatever you want, on the stand, and that slides up like that. Then you just take your phone and you place it on the stand, which is nice. So now you have your device on the stand, you have your keyboard. So now it's just going to sync it with your device. Now, right now, I am on Twitter. So I'm going to turn it on, and now it should connect with my device, and as you can see, I am typing away. You know, it's got all your backspace features, and this is a pretty cool keyboard. Let me tell you, this keyboard is pretty cool. So you can go to the website. It is freedominput.com, where you can find this keyboard and other keyboards. They have keyboards for all different kinds of devices. Now I'm going to look on the list of devices that this one supports. Let's see here. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, running on 4.0 OS. Also compatible with all devices that have built-in HID support, such as Windows Mobile 6.5, Netbook, and PCs, PlayStation 3s, etc. For devices such as the BlackBerry, Android devices, Nokias, and older Windows mobile devices without HID support for Bluetooth, keyboard purchase the dual profile Freedom Pro keyboard. So there is a keyboard out there for all your devices. If you go to the website www.freedominput.com, you will find all the different keyboards that they have. So this is a great little keyboard, and as you guys can see, so I'm going to type so you guys can see this on my phone. You guys can see that. So that is pretty cool. And every time you turn on the Bluetooth button, it just automatically finds your device. Now for the first time, you're going to have to get, there's a little pinhole here on the corner where you are going to have to put a little pin or something in there, and that will pair it with your device. So that is pretty cool. And you know, on this stand, you can put it this way. You know, you could do it any which way you want. Now this is great for the iPad. You know, if you're looking for a nice keyboard for the iPad, this is the route to go. So thanks for watching this review of the i-Connex keyboard. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone.